back to making videos on my cycle after a very long time. Have you guys checked out my previous video? The video that I uploaded just before this. I went to this amazing place called Imambara. It is very near to Kolkata and I tried to make a very nice vlog out of it. I'm pretty sure if you go ahead and check the video out, you might actually like it. So please go ahead and check it out. The card is out here. What about today? So I'm out on my cycle because the winters are here. Really liking the weather. I'm pretty sure everyone is enjoying it. Totally feels like the mountains actually. So I am trying to get as creative as possible with my shots for this video. I learned about this amazing place from Devojyoti and one YouTube video actually. It's near Science City and it is called the Dhapa Trails. It's a paradise for anyone who has a MTB, that is a mountain terrain bike like I have. So I'm really thinking of going there and trying to find out the place. As of yet, I do not have a complete knowledge about the location or how to reach there. And I'm really trying to go up till Science City or cross Science City and then try to find a way to get inside Dhapa and then figure out what the place is and what I can do there. For now, just cause partly it's almost 4 o'clock in the evening and I have to get there before it gets dark. So see you guys once I get there. So at 4:15 I was near Patli or I was actually near Highland Park and the time right now is exactly. So it took me kind of 20 minutes to reach from Highland Park to Science City. Not bad, really not bad. Right now the confusion that remains, oh my, this is so noisy. Much better and almost no noise actually. So as you can already guess, I am inside Dhapa. I had to take a right after ITC, the new ITC. You have to take a right after that. Looks so nice. I'll try to get some cinematic shots out here. That would be better actually. See, to be very honest, I really have no idea if this is the Dhapa Trails that Devojyoti was talking about or the Dhapa Trails I have seen in the video. But then whatever this is, I really find it interesting enough because this is entirely green as far as you can see and I think it looks really nice. And the most interesting part is I actually have a mountain bike but never really got the chance to ride it on the mountains or take it out off-roading, and this seems like a nice off-roading experience that going to get, if not today then some other day, that's for sure, because today is going to get dark in some time. I'm just going to show you the place and I'll start heading out, but then some other day, that's for sure. As far as you can see, it's totally green, but there actually, I don't know if you can make it out from this camera, there actually is that mountain like structure or hill like structure. I don't know how far I'm going to go, but then let's see. Let's go ahead and let's try to show you something nice as well. If you actually come here when the sunlight is enough, you are going to get some really amazing pictures and videos out of this place, because it's completely green and it's completely empty as well. Time right now is almost 5. I'm not gonna stay here for much longer, like 5-10 minutes more or 15 minutes more at most, and after that I'm gonna go ahead or like start heading back. But whatever this is, really satisfied and really glad that I took the decision of coming here and not going anywhere else, because this is a completely different kind of experience for me, and I'm pretty sure this is a very different kind of experience for a lot of you guys. If I fall on my right, I'm a dead man, that's for sure. I should have been wearing my head mount today, because it's a place where I could have actually taken some amazing POV shots. My bike really needs servicing. Like, it's sounding crazy actually. It's constant nagging noise. But look at her! Spotted me from a distance, and surprise. Ta-da, ta-da. It's getting that much dark that whatever my GoPro is going to record, there will be a lot of noise. So really sorry about that from beforehand. I think there is that much light left so that I can give it a try to go up there. Like, wait. To actually go up there and come back. There are 4 to 5 people out there on top of that, so I don't know how to go up there, but then let's see if I can figure that out, and let's see if I can go up there. Oh, there are guys on top of Dhapa who are shooting videos. I'm pretty sure they are trying to shoot vlogs as well. Let's see if I can go and also say hi to them and also see what is there inside. Oh, there are guys on top of Dhapa who are shooting videos. I'm pretty sure they are trying to shoot vlogs as well. Let's see if I can go and also say hi to them and also see what is there inside. Wanted to get up to that, but then can't really do that because this property is locked actually. There are bar wires and everything. You are not allowed to get inside, and I do not know how to get inside. That is the biggest problem. But then right now I really need to figure out how to get out of here because there are so many mosquitoes and it's quite dark, and I really think it won't be safe enough to like spend any more time out here. And also I'm really scared of these places because I'm really scared of snakes. So this is the only way you can see my face right now, and it's 5:45 in the evening, and for the last 15-20 minutes I've been trying to find out or figure out how to get out of here. Finally I met someone who is going to direct me to how to get out of here. I'm guessing you won't be able to understand the condition I am in right now. It's totally lights out and I am at a place I have no idea about. So I'm trying to follow that guy who will take me outside. See you guys once I get on the main roads. Area you see there, that is actually Dhapa, and I was inside that up till now, like up till 2 minutes back, and I really had a good hour exploring the Dhapa, or the Dhapa trails you can say. I really guess these are the Dhapa trails only that guy was talking about and Debojyoti was talking about. Shomik and Debojyoti, you guys missed it. Seriously, you missed a hell lot of fun. Feeling a lot of adrenaline rush and sweating like a pig right now. Really need to lose the jacket. I'll stand somewhere and have something, and I'll see you guys in a bit. The busy guy Shomik is here. Missed him so much all these days. Tried to call him so many times, like, you know, if he wants to join me on this cycle rides or bike rides or anything. He's just so busy, you know, throughout the day. Anyway, so now we are heading back home. I met Shomik near Ruby. So according to him, he's giving a cameo in my episode, this episode. Do you have anything special to say?
Yeah, long time no see.
Long time no see. Again, long time you will not see us.
আমি আসি খুব শিগগিরই আসছি একটা ভালো কনসেপ্ট নিয়ে আসছি আমি পেয়ে গেছি ইউরেকা
Shomik doing a pizza party for all of us.
ইচ্ছা হচ্ছে ভাই ঠিক আছে ভাই বাচ্চা
Ekdom, super handsome. So that would be all for today, I guess. Really hope that you guys have enjoyed my little adventure in the Dhapa trails, or I'm not very sure whether even it is the Dhapa trails or not, but then really hoping that you guys have enjoyed watching it. Let's finish it up out here only because we'll have to carry the pizzas on our cycle handle. Can feel the pain of the Zomato guys. Do like, share, subscribe, whatever you can to help the channel. And also do comment down whatever you think about this video. Would really appreciate it. Not gonna upload a video this Sunday because next week I really have something interesting to show you guys. I am going somewhere and I'm pretty sure whatever I'm going to show you, you guys are gonna love it because I have planned it that way. So no video coming up on Sunday, but directly next week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. See you guys next week.